Good morning, children. How are you all? Okay, we have completed our internal assessment too. Okay, till where we have discussed, children, till second lesson, right? We are having some more exercises in second lesson to complete, children. Okay, see in studio page number 26. Here 2.5 is there, children. See, the poem describes the rainbow as a part of nature that is beautiful. Rainbow is a noun, right? Rainbow is a noun. Think of other nouns that are a part of nature. Right there, singular forms in the cloud given below. See the example, you have 1 minute. That means in this cloud you have to write the nature noun, children. Okay, see, within 1 minute you have write already. Like this they have given one cloud, right? Here they have written like this a tree. Now we have to write remaining. See nature things. See boat, ship, river and bridge. Okay, children, like this we have written in the cloud, children. And next one, write the plural forms of the nouns in the space provided below. One has been done for you. Recall that only some nouns take an S when we refer to them in the plural form. Okay, now you have to write the plural forms for this word, children. See, already they have given like this trees. Okay, remaining 5 you have to write here. Boats, next rivers, and see next one, seas, ships, next bridges. Okay, like this you have to write the nouns and plural forms of the noun, children. Okay, trees, boats, rivers, seas, ships, bridges. Okay, children. And now turn your pages, children. Here write the plural form of the following nouns. See here, three they have given: rainbow, cloud, bushes. Okay, bush they have given. See now, first one we have to write the plural form, right? Rainbows. And next, clouds. And third one, bushes. Okay, see children, rainbows, clouds, bushes. Now see, do all these words take an S in the plural form? Tick your response. No, all the words did not take only S. See, here the rainbow and clouds have taken only S in plural form. But coming to bushes, it have taken ES in the plural form. Then our response is no. Tick in the no box, children. Observe that there are some nouns that do not take only an S in the plural form. They take an ES in the plural form. For example, the plural of bush is bushes, right? Now you have to observe that not all the words will take the only S in plural form. Sometimes it will take the ES also. For example, bush already we have seen. S and no in plural form it's coming as ES, children. Okay, see now, read aloud some examples of plural nouns ending in ES. See here, some they have given nouns and plurals in page number 27, children. See, box, boxes, peach, peaches, branch, branches, tomato, tomatoes. See, in all these plural forms we are adding ES, children. Now, to what type of words we will add ES and to what type of words we will add S. We will see now, children. Because in plural form sometimes we are using s and sometimes we are using es. Now let's get the clarity. See, here is a tip on forming plurals of words with es. Okay, here they are telling on the children. See, words ending with s, ch, sh, x, z usually takes on es in the plural form. Okay, children. Now see the words ends with s, sh, ch. Okay. X or Z. Okay, the words ends with S, sh, ch, x or Z. The words which ends with these letters, okay, that means in the end of the word, these letters should be present there. Those plural forms, it will get the es, children. Okay, see, brush, beach, bus, fox, all these words are ending with these letters. That's why it will get the es, children. Okay, and next one. See here on activity 2.7, it's they have given children, see, identify words in the given picture which end with s, ch, sh and x. Okay, here they have given pictures. They have given the blanks also here. You need to write these words and plural forms for these children. You have to write this one. Okay, you have to complete 2.7. Okay, and next, see children. Turn your pages, everyone. Now see, answer the following questions in incomplete. Okay, here. What do you like to do after school hours? Okay, children. See, first question. What do you like to do after school hours? See, first answer. I would like to play after school. Right? Most of you will play after school to going to home. Yes or no? You will play at home, right, children, after school? Okay, write your response like this. I would like to play after school. Next one. Which book do you like to read the most? Okay, what book you like to read? See here, I like to read the Jungle Book most. Okay, Jungle Book with so many animals and interesting characters are there. No, I thought that you like this book. That's why I have wrote like this. If you like to read another book, you can mention the name there. Okay, I like to read the Jungle Book most. Like this, you have to write these two answers in 2.9 children. This one is 2.9. Okay, like this you have to write. And next one, see, do your answers have words such as to play, to read or to study? Pick your response. As our answers is having to play, to read also is having. Now we have to tick in the S box. Okay, children, see these words. Okay, observe these words. To read, to study. Okay, it's forming this kind of word structure is formed by to followed by the original form of the verb. Right? Verb is means action word. To plus verb is forming. She likes to dance. Sunil wants to jump on the bench. My mother likes to water the plant. It is nice to see a rainbow in the sky. I like to play with my friends. These sentences, okay, in these sentences we can observe two are there, two plus verb, children. Okay, and one more homework I am giving to you, children. See page number 33, 2.10. 2.10, it is your work, children. You have to do that means nothing. By using 2 plus verb, you need to frame 3 questions. Okay, children, please frame that questions, children. And next one, in summary, fill in the blank with using a sentence using 2 plus verb. You have to fill the blank by using. See, for example, I like to eat cakes, and another one you have to write. Okay, in summary, write down, children. In summary, write this sentence. I like to 2. See here 2 plus verb. Lesser no 2 plus verb. Go to vacation with my friends. With my friends. Okay, children, I like to go to vacation with my friends. Here we are using to plus verb also. If you want to write another sentence by your own, you can write. Otherwise, you can note it down. This one also. See, children, here. Another one is there. Fun with words. Okay, children. See here. They have given one box like this, children. Fun with words in that column. See here, with here they have given. Now see, you have to fill this box by here in this column you have to write 3-letter words, here 4-letter words, and here 5-letter words, children. And the first letter should be this one. Okay, that means this word should start with I, and in this row the word should start with V. Like that you have to write, children. First one, see, already they have given 2 words, was and visit, and one more you have to write, and that should be 3 letters only. VA and van. Okay, 3 letters. Okay, children. Here next one, I. Already they have given 3 letters, ink, and they have given 5 letters also. India. One more you have to write, children. That one is info. INFO. Info, children. And next one here, see, B. Here book they have given another 2. You have to write, children. See, BUS bus. Okay, BUS bus. And next board. 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 5 letters words. See, children. Here G. You have to write 3. Okay. G means, okay, GUN gun. GULF gulf, and GREA green. Okay, see, 3-letter, 4-letter, and 5 letters. Here Y, yam, and 5 letters yacht. Also they have given. Now you are writing yarn. The YARN, yarn. Okay, children. Now see, O you have to write. Already they have given vowel 4-letter word, and you have to write 3-letter word and 5-letter word. Oval. Not oval, owl. Okay. OWL, owl. And next one, 5th one, you have to write 5 letters word and owner. See, 5-letter word, OWNER. Okay, owner. Here R, they have given 5-letter word round, children. And remaining 2 you have to write. Here Ram, R-A-M, Ram. Okay, children. And next race, R-A-C, race, children. Okay. See now, like this you have to fill this box, children. See, van, was, visit, ink, info, India, bus, book, board, gun, gulf, dream, yam, yarn, yacht, owl, oven, owner, ram, race, and round, children. Like this you have to write. Okay, children, like this you have to write, and you have to complete this one, children. Okay, now everyone open your companion books, children. With this we have completed our studio. Okay, one more it's there. Let's read aloud. We can see in next class. Okay. Now everyone open your companion 2E, children. 2E. Okay, children, in companion 2E. Look at the sentence below. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the verb. Okay. From the given options. That means we have to write the correct form of the verb. They have given 3 options. See, it is wrong dash. Okay, to teasing, to tease, or to teased. others. Okay, here you have to write to tease children. Okay, to eat, first one, to tease. Okay, next one, see children, I want to dash nicely for the party. To dress, to dressing or to dressed. Here, see children, I am telling I want to dress. That means I am telling my feeling. I am not dressing now. Okay, and I to dress, that means the completed action. I didn't dress it. But to dress, that means I am telling my feeling. I want to dress. That means the action is going to place. Not yet completed or not happening now. That's why we have to write to dress. And next third one, my father's me dash a new pair of shoes. To bought, bought means already completed. To buying, that one is continuing action. That means it was happening. But here the father needs to buy. Okay, father wants to buy shoes. The action is not completed, children. Okay, to buy. And next fourth one, my friend likes to dash ice cream. Likes to eat. Okay, likes to eat, not ate. Ate is past form of eat, children. Okay, and next one, see, I hope dash an engineer when I grow up. Okay, I hope to become. I hope to become. Okay, is it clear? See children, like this you have to complete these blanks. To tease, to dress, to buy, to eat, to become, children. Okay, and next see, look at 2F in page number 17. Look at the pictures and the hints given below in the space provided. Write what each person may be thinking. Remember to use to plus verb in your sentences. Okay, children, what you have to do is you have to observe these images, pictures clearly, and you have to write what the person in this picture is thinking about, and you have to use the to plus verb form. Already they have given these verbs meet, eat, play. Okay, you have to write like this. First one hint is what, children? Meet. Right here, patient is there and doctor is also is there. Now you have to write the sentence by how the patient is thinking about. Okay, when we go to doctor, what how we will think? We will think that we want to meet doctor. Right, here also patient want to meet doctor. Like that you have to write patient want to meet doctor. This one is 2F. See here 2 it came and verb form also it came, children. Like this you have to write. Okay, next one, see, eat. Okay, ice cream vehicle is going and here one boy is standing and looking at that. Okay, now how this boy will think? Okay, let's give one name to this boy like Ram. Okay, Ram likes to eat ice cream because that's why he is looking like that, right? He likes to eat and now he wants to eat. By looking at that ice cream, what he will think? Oh, I like eat to ice cream, like that. Okay, see now. Ram likes to eat ice cream. Okay, children, Ram likes to eat ice cream. And next one, see, some children are playing outside and another boy is inside the house and he is looking at the children. Okay, let's give one name to that boy as Raju and we will think that those are his friends. Now he is inside but he is not going outside means, but still he is looking at them. Why? Because he wants to play with them. Right? Now let's frame a sentence like this. Raju want to play with his friends. Okay, Raju want to play. Raju want to play with his friends, children. Okay, is it clear? Like this, you have to fill this. Patient want to meet doctor. Ram likes to eat ice cream. Raju want to play with his friends, children. And last, okay, with this exercise we will end up our second lesson. Here one project is there, children. One see. Okay, children, see now project time in 2Z. He is an here is an essay written by a student about his school. Okay, here one boy is writing an essay with the title My School. In this essay is explaining about his school. Use the words given in the help box. Fill in the blanks suitably using to plus verb. Complete the paragraph by framing 2 sentences of your own. Remember to include to plus verb and plural nouns in your sentences. Okay, children, here they have in this essay they have given some blanks here. You have to use this hint box and you need to complete these sentences, children. Okay, I love my school. It is a great place to learn new things. I also have fun with my friends in school. I like my teachers. They love to teach. Yes or no? They love to teach. In first one, to in first blank and second teach. Okay, to plus verb form. See, in first blank how you have to write? To teach. Okay, teachers loves to teach. And next see, they are all very friendly and patient. I love to go to school. Okay, I love to go to school. Okay, children, and next one, I want my school to be the best. To be the best. To be the best, children. And next one, school in the world. Okay, I want to school to be the best school in the world. It is a nice place. Okay, it is a nice place for children to play and to study. In this last one, they have given 4 blanks, right? To play and to study. Okay, children, here to teach, to go, to be, to play and to study. Like this you have to complete this essay, children. With this we have completed our lesson 2. In next class we will start our 3rd lesson, children. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.